All right, welcome back. So I couldn't get the tow guy to get my car up here today. I probably are going to go home, change the spark plugs, put some fresh fuel in it, and drive it up here. It's too loud to start first thing in the morning. And I just didn't feel like doing it yesterday. So I'm busting out the ICT billet bracket assembly for the AC compressor. And I'm just going through all the crap that I have in here to install on it. Seems pretty simple to do. Hopefully I don't have any fitment issues. I'm sure that this is a pretty solid kit. I'm just going through like all the stuff that I have to get this together. So I have all the stuff here for the exhaust, the V-band clamps. I have T6 flange. I got a bunch of stuff here that's going to require some fabrication work. This is the air to water cooler pump. This is the offset rack and pinion bushings because I now have power steering. This is the oil separator for the PCV system. Catch can in the other world, in the world of everyone else today. This is oil cooler. Yeah, so I'm going to be running an oil cooler on this vehicle too. I think this is probably just a rubber hose. This is oil cooler here. Yeah, so this is oil cooler, and then I can grab the oil feed. Sure, you can grab oil pressure from this. This oil in and out. Is this out? Oh, okay. So this is going to be the oil for the turbo feeds. I'm going to go right off the oil cooler. Where's this from? Everything's made in China. Body parts? Nah. What does that say on there? I've ordered this stuff so long ago. It took forever for me to get this engine back. This thing should rip. I don't know what I'm gonna. I want to get the AC system figured out today because that's part of the accessory drive. The power steering pump's already mounted. The water pump's mounted. The alternator's mounted. I probably will upgrade the alternator to something different. The S480, I'm going to rebuild that just so that everything is perfect when I go and get it in the car. I have to get the air to water intercooler for the high ram. Air to water there. I need to get a new fuel pump. I have an A1000 in my car now. That'll be good enough just to move it around, and I won't put it on any boost with that pump. 1400s are in here now. They couldn't get it to idle or start with the 210s in there, but I'm sure it's a matter of tuning issues there. All right, stay tuned.